Attorney, yung CLOA title ng tito ko ay kinain ng anay at ayaw tong tanggapin ng buyer. Pero yung kinain ng anay ay sa gilid lang. Ano po ang gagawin namin para ma-issuean kami ng bagong CLOA? By the way, pag sinabi nating CLOA title, ito ay Certificate of Land Ownership Award na ini-issue ng DAR. Magkaiba ito sa Torrens title na ini-issue ng LRA through the Registry of Deeds. At magkaiba rin ang proseso sa pagpapa-issue ng new CLOA or new certificate of title under the Torrens title. Okay? So for this discussion, paano magpapa-issue ng nasirang CLOA title? Ang una mong gagawin kung ang CLOA title mo ay nasira or kinain ng anay ay mag-execute kayo ng affidavit of destruction or mutilation, or kung ito ay nawala, affidavit of loss. Now, under the Joint DAR and LRA Administrative Order number 1 series of 2024, pwede kayong mag-file ng verified petition for reissuance of CLOA title before the RARAD or the Regional Agrarian Reform Adjudicator sa lugar kung nasaan located ang lupa mo. So again, for CLOA title, doon kayo mag-file sa RARAD ng verified petition, and of course, accompanied by your supporting affidavits or supporting documents. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zan.